It's Sam, and I'd like to do a little update on what's going on with my trades. I put up a video, I think, about a week ago when I entered the New Zealand Swiss francs, USD Japan, and the Aussie USD. And these are just updates to show you guys what's happening with my trades. I'm still in the Aussie USD and I'm still in minus. I haven't gone up yet. This is the daily chart. It looks like the Tenkan is above the Kijun and price is above the Tenkan. Right now it's forming a little doji. This is without the Heikinashi. These are the regular Japanese candlesticks. I don't see a need to get out yet, so I'm gonna stay in the trade for now. I don't suggest anyone take this trade yet. It's not really showing any good signs of an entry. I thought it was a good sign previously when I took it. I took it based on the 4-hour break of the cloud right over here, but it came back against me and it's been bouncing. It's pretty much ranging and doing nothing, so I suggest just wait till it at least breaks this level. For those who are following me, if you want to take this trade, wait for a break of this level. Yeah, these are fractal levels, and there would be the 10597. That's my suggestion, because as you can see back here, this is the daily chart. It's actually hit quite a few times. It's hit 4 times, so it's a strong resistance level. So I suggest wait for it to break it, and then we can jump along for the right. But for now, I'm still in the trade, and this is just an update to show you guys what's happening. Let's talk about the USD Japan. I know this looks really cluttered, but for those who know what you're doing, if you look at this, it doesn't look too bad. I'm still in the trade, and a lot of my friends are already out of the trade, but I'm still in the trade because I drew a Fibonacci on the day chart. I went out to the day chart. Price started retracing. I have a take profit level and it hasn't hit it yet. This was the last move. So I put up a Fibonacci retracement level to see where it might be going, and I was waiting to see what was going to happen pretty much. Let me just resize this so you guys can see it clearly. Well, that wasn't too much of a difference. Anyways, yeah, this was the move, and price started pulling back. I thought that this was a really strong pullback, but obviously it wasn't. It came back against me all the way, and it tested the 61.8%. Now, when price does that, it normally goes up to the 61.8%, which is right here. And there's also a major resistance down here and down here. So I'm probably going to get out of the trade somewhere in between here, and I'm expecting a retracement on a longer time frame, probably the weekly chart, or maybe even a reversal, although I think it's highly unlikely. It's what I expect to happen is price is going to hit either one of these levels, so it's pretty much to be on standby to get out of the trade, take your profits and get out, and probably go short, but I don't do that. It's swing trading. So I'm expecting price to come up to somewhere here. This is one of the major resistance levels. So if you're looking at it, it's 91.25 for those who are interested. And then I expect to see price take a little swing down for a while at least. Normally what happens is if you get a 38.2% retracement, it's going to keep going up. If you get a 23.6% retracement, it's going to keep going up. If you get a 50% retracement, it's going to keep going up. If you get a 61.8% retracement, it's going to keep going up to exactly 61.8, and then it's going to drop. I've seen that happen quite a few times, and I'm expecting it to do so. I will wait for it to hit my 91.25, and then I'm out. I don't know if it's going to hit it exactly, but I'm going to pay attention to these zones. These are problem areas, so I'm going to pay attention. I'm up 250 pips. I was up way high. I was way above 300 pips, but I'm just going to stay there for now and see what happens. If price does move against the 61.8, I'm out. Just a heads up. And also, I spoke about the New Zealand dollars and Swiss francs. I'm up 50 pips on this one. It came back against me. I came in here. It went back against me. Same thing. It did a 50% retracement. So it's probably going to keep going up. I have to take profit levels up here. in between the 38 and the 61.8. So I'm gonna stay in this trade for a while. Let's see what happens with that. I expect it to go up here, test this, and continue going up. Well, this is just an update. I'm still in the trades. Profits are still running. No problems yet, and I expect the USD Japan to keep going up for a while, and then it's probably going to start retracing soon. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll come back with another video and talk about the pound New Zealand and the euro Czech krona. Let's see what happens. See you guys in a bit.